Welcome everyone. Spoken English is something which is very important nowadays. Language is our primary source of communication. It's the method through which we share our ideas and thoughts with others. There are also some people who even say that language is what separates us from animals and makes us human. We all know people who speak English fluently have more job opportunities. And businesses need employees who can communicate effortlessly with English speaking partners and clients. Also, entrepreneurs can access a far wider range of customers online by using English. English speakers have more opportunities to work with others in these fields of science and technology as well. So, English is based on a simple alphabet and it is fairly quick and easy to learn as compared to other languages. But before we proceed, I would like to tell you that whenever you speak in English, you should always slow down and you should know when to start. Even you should stop using those filler words. Filler words are the words which you learn from other books, from dictionaries, or from movies, or from somebody else. You should always use filler words when you're confident enough to join it in a statement, join it in a sentence. And did you know the importance of breathe is also there when we talk about spoken English? So, spoken English is being provided by brilliant classes now. We'll be telling you everything about tenses, everything you should know while you're speaking English. You feel trapped? Or are you confused when you're sitting in group? Then what should you say? This usually happens with everyone. Most of us actually. There's no one mantra for spoken English. But the one thing you can start is read. Read and read and read as much as you can. And after that, if you attend the spoken class, it'll be much more easier for you. So, we'll be providing you numerous numbers of classes with tenses, with activities, with so many exercises. I hope you will like it.